Hello students, welcome to our channel MPS English Medium. There is your Srima ma'am to provide you online classes through our channel. Please subscribe our channel for the latest classes. Okay. So today's video is for class 2, the students of class 2. Please open your perfect English grammar. Please open your perfect English grammar book at the page 27. At the page 27. First open your book. It is the lesson of 15. It is the 15th lesson of this book. And the name of the lesson is Using Adjectives in Compositions. Using adjectives in composition. I have taught you about the composition. I have taught you about the adjectives. Yes. Can you remember that? Adjectives are the describing words. Okay. It may describe any nouns. It may describe any pronoun. Adjectives হলো বর্ণনামূলক শব্দ। এটি কোনো নাউন প্রোনাউনকে ডেসক্রাইব করতে পারে, বর্ণনা করতে পারে। So you have not any clear idea about adjective, then please search the class that I have given you in my previous class about adjectives. Okay, then open this video. Okay. So first open at page 27. There is a composition, there is a paragraph, and there are many blanks in this between the lines. Okay, there is blanks in between the lines. You have to choose some words that are given in this box and have to fill the blanks. Okay. You can see here are given. You can see that some words are given in this box. You have to use these words and have to fill the blanks. Okay. So all these words are adjectives. All these words are adjectives. And watch the video carefully. Okay. Watch the video carefully.
So let's start the composition. The angry fish. I have written the answers within the bracket. Okay. The angry fish. There was once an angry fish. So the adjective is angry. There was once an angry fish. It lived in a big pond. The water was so clear that if a person looked at the pond, he could see the teeny fish and the large green frogs. Pink lotuses floated on the water. Wild animals and pretty birds came down to sip the cool water on a hot, sunny day. It was a lovely place. There were tall trees and colorful flowers growing all around the pond. Soon, people began to come for picnics near the pond. These people were very careless. They threw empty bottles, plastic bags, old newspapers, and all sorts of rubbish into the pond. The pond became very smelly. All the fish and frogs were so sad. One day, a man threw a can into the water. The small fish swam up to him and said, "You are very unkind people. This pond is our home. You have made it into a dirty dustbin. Keep our pond clean." The next day, Some kind workers came and cleaned up the pond. The fish and its friends were happy once more. Okay, so this was the composition. And in this composition, we learned about how we use adjectives. Okay, how we use adjectives in any composition. All these words that I gave within the bracket, all these words are adjectives. Okay, and in this way we can use adjectives in any composition. I already told you in my previous classes that adjectives are describing words. Okay, adjectives can describe nouns, adjective can describe pronouns. Okay, so here also adjectives are describing nouns. Okay, you can check the composition, you can check every blanks, and you will find that all these adjectives are describing the nouns. Okay, such as angry fish. The word angry is describing the noun fish. Likewise, all these adjectives, like lovely place. The word lovely is describing the noun place. In this way we can say that adjectives describe nouns, adjective can describe pronouns. Okay, so this was the lesson for today. Hope you understand, and of course you have to write it in your copy and read carefully at your home, because as our school is yet not ready to open, so we are there to provide you online classes through our channel. Please subscribe our channel for the latest classes. Okay, and again, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.